Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create a dynamic chart by using VBA Macros. Here, I have some data in sheet 2. Let me show how to create the chart by using this data. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am writing the code in module 1. As part of this program, first I defined the worksheet. Hence, I created object variable which is named as sh, dim sh as worksheet, set sh equivalent to active sheet. Thereafter, I created one object variable for chart object. Next, I am providing the measurements to the chart. I want to place the chart in the range of D2 to K16. Hence, first I defined the range. Thereafter, I am adding the chart object by providing the measurements in form of height, top, left, width. Thereafter, here I am providing the chart type as Excel column clustered. Next, I am defining the new series. Here I am providing the name for series collection 1. Next, I am defining the last row based on the data exists in column A by using endXLUp property of range object. Here I am providing the values to the chart. Next, I am providing the X values. Next, I am changing the interior color index of the chart, mentioning the legend, defining the legend position, provide the confirmation whether the chart consists of title or not, providing the title, thereafter providing the name to the chart. Now let me debug the code step by step. Press F8 to start the debugging. Provided the chart type, adding the series collection, defining the last row. Here I considered values for series collection 1 equivalent to data exists in column B. Here I considered from B2 to B12. Last row denotes 12. Means I have data up to 12th row. Coming to X values, I am considering based on the data exists in column A. Thereafter, changing the interior color index. Now it is turned into red. Confirming the legend. Thereafter, changing the legend position. Confirming the title. Providing the title, providing the name to this chart. In this way, we can create the chart by using VBA Macros. Now let us see how to delete this chart by using VBA Macros. This is the piece of code. Let me execute and check practically. Now chart has deleted. I am copying this button. Here I am assigning the macro to this button. Create chart. delete. delete chart object. Click on this button to create the chart. Click on this button to delete the chart. Here I am doing some changes. Now I am adding some more years to this chart data. Here I am adding 2021, and let us see whether the data is appending to this chart or not. Here I am providing sales data as 220. We can observe that chart is not reflecting with the updated content. So to make it as dynamic, I am using change event. Now let's have a look on change event. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. In Sheet 2, here we can find two options, General and Worksheet. First I am selecting General. Here we didn't find any events, but the moment when user selects Worksheet, automatically application returns list of events. From the available list, I have selected change event. So this is the piece of code. In the event, application consider target as range. Target denotes entire worksheet. As part of this event, first I declared a variable for the range. Thereafter, set RNG equivalent to range of A2 to B100. Means I am considering the range from A2 to B100. Whenever change happened in the data in the selected range, application automatically triggers this event. Here I am mentioning the intersect. If not intersect of target and range, in that worksheet I am considering defined range is nothing, then application executes this piece of code. First I declared a variable for worksheet. Thereafter I defined the chart object. Previously I provided the name for this chart object as sales. Next I defined the last row to make the range as dynamic. Next I declared series collection and providing the values to the series collection. If you want, you can change the interior color index. So this is the event that I wrote. Now let me cross check with the data. Here I am adding 2021. See, chart automatically updating with the updated data. Here I am mentioning as 150, 20, 22, 500. Now I am deleting 2022's data. So in this way, we can create dynamic chart in VBA Macros by using change event of worksheet object. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.